In this video, we will see how an outside service is displayed on a work order once the order has been placed in FloorVisio. We'll continue looking at the sample customer sample fabricated part. Looking at the engineering master, we see that send to outside service with the purchase requirement that is a PPN has been set up. We're going to go ahead and add an order for this part. We'll say that's our PO number, line 1 quantity of 100, price of $10 each. We will save the order. Now when we print this order, we will notice that it has a place for send to outside service with a barcode and a receive back from outside service with a barcode. So once the order has been placed with an engineering master that has been set up for sending to an outside service, this is what the printed work order will look like. You will use these barcodes here. This to clock in and out of sending it to outside service. This barcode you will use to dispatch to the outside service, and this barcode you will use to receive it back from the outside service. So that's how to enter the order and see the send to outside service with the requirement and the receive back from outside service in FloorVisio. And so to review, here is this order. This barcode will be used to clock in and out of sending to the outside service. This barcode will be used to dispatch this part to the outside service, and this barcode will be used to clock in and out of receiving back from the outside service.